Hi, I'm Allison, a clean air expert here at Advanced Pure Air. Today we're going to be replacing the UV light in the Newport 9000 and Air Shield. I'm going to be replacing the UV light with the unit standing upright. I always recommend you laying the unit down on its back before you do any maintenance on it. Let's get started. All right, so here you can see the UV light that's already in the unit, and I have another replacement right here. So first we're going to go ahead and open this up. Going to go ahead and remove it from the bubble wrap. Very carefully, be sure to only touch the plastic parts of the bulb. Do not touch the bulb itself. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and remove the bulb. So first you want to align the plastic pieces, so spin it so that the plastic pieces align. Then you're going to simply, so you push it in like a toilet paper roll. It goes into one side and it'll pop out the other. And then it just pops right out. All right, so it may take you a few tries, so definitely go slow. You just want to make sure that these little pieces right here go in the right spot so that you don't break the bulb coming out. All right, so this is the old bulb. I'm going to go ahead and put it aside. Now we have the replacement bulb. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in. You want, again, line up these plastic pieces right here in the notches inside. Push it in. Once you have it in, you're going to rotate it to get the other side in. And then there you go. We're all set to go. And now put the filters back in and the faceplate back on. All right, so now we have changed out the UV light and it is back to normal. You just go ahead and push the power button and it starts working right away. If you have any questions about how to maintain your machine, go ahead and give us a call at 888-601-5886. Thanks for watching.